Colossians 3:23 says, "Do your work heartily as unto the Lord, not as unto men." And oftentimes I've got to stop and realize, I'm not doing all these things for Johnny. I happen to be married to someone who's disabled. But actually what I do is my service is to the Lord, and I just so happen to be married to someone who's disabled. And it puts things into perspective, even in those times when, what I consider the darkest times where I'm just tired and things are just starting to weigh on me as far as 24/7. And then I do want to say, though, Peter, it took maybe this many years for God's plan to kind of kick in. But, in 2010, Johnny was diagnosed with breast cancer. And actually, I think that event was a blessing, if I could say that. People go crazy thinking, are you kidding? Having your wife diagnosed with breast cancer is a blessing? Well, for us, it brought Johnny and I closer together. Everything stopped. We started reflecting on what is important on this side of eternity and realized that one of the things, for me personally, I may lose my best friend. We didn't know how serious this was at the beginning. Now, she's 3 years from that point, so each year it makes it that much better that she's going to be cancer-free. But at that particular point in the beginning, it really did cause us to think about what was the most important things in our lives. And, one of the most important things in my life, and has been, is my wife.